Hey you, stop scrolling. Welcome back to Adornment with Adrienne. We have these beautiful, thick steak fries done in our air fryer. Basically, all we had was one russet potato. This was a wonderful midday snack for me. One russet potato. We have our air fryer set on air fry for 415 minutes. We cut our potato nice and thick, and we added our favorite seasoning. With nonstick spray, spray the pan and the potatoes. Put them into the air fryer, let it cook, shook it around, stopped it about 7 minutes in, shook it up a little bit, or you could hit shake and let it cook, and voila, we have a beautiful snack for any time or an accompaniment for a beautiful steak or chicken, just by itself with some ranch dressing or some ketchup, some hot sauce. That's up to you. Anyway, I just wanted to share this. They came out so beautifully, and I thought I would share them with you. As your auntie of lifestyle and decor, please click like and subscribe, saving hello, and I'll see you in the next video. See you in the next video.